Hi everyone, Sarah back again today for Color Rush Studios, and I am playing with the Sweet Summer kit, and it's just gorgeous. I had an unboxing on my channel, and I am pretty sure that there are multiple of the other design team members that have unboxings out as well. What you saw me do here just a second ago, I cut down a piece of Vicky Bouton mixed media paper from my stash because I wanted to do mixed media, but I didn't want my page to really curl up a lot. And the splatters just kind of weren't doing it for me. And as you see right here, I really get messy. And I just pour stuff on my desk. And I had mixed my white and my pink chroma mist just to make a lighter pink that kind of matches within the kit here. And then I add some of the pure dragon fruit chroma mist as well for some darker splatters. And I start cleaning up my mess a little bit. And no, I did not throw that little tub of that stuff away. I will keep that and I will use it. So it's just off to the side at the moment. And then I'm grabbing out this yellow one. It's a creamy one too. So it's not like white. I think it's called lemon zest. White, yellow. It's not clear. But I splattered some of that too because there's quite a bit of yellow in this kit and I love it. Impatient as I am, I went ahead and rolled it with my paper towels, and I'm gonna set it aside and let it dry a little more while I go ahead and start cutting some things out. I already had cut this piece of paper down to a 10 by 10 because I knew I wanted a mat behind it. I just kind of wanted to play with it a little bit. And so I had went ahead and done that. And then I just grabbed a couple of the pieces of paper out. I love this one that I'm using right here. You end up not seeing a ton of it. It's just the way I layered things in the center of the paper. And I love the yellow in this kit too. It's just so pretty. I'm just going to trim, I think, 2 inches off of that. And, well, I think I did like 4 inches. It might have been 4. Honestly, I didn't measure, so I really don't know. I didn't measure any of these. I just cut them to where I thought I liked them. And then I have a couple pictures of my daughters when we were out on a little walk on a trail. It had rained a ton, and so there was high water. And I'm also going to use some of the ribbons and frazzles. I love them. I'm going to grab the flowers and those cute, adorable sunglasses that are from the kit as well. But I'm going to add the flowers around the layout, just like up and down around the sides there. And I'm going to rough up the little edges. This is an extremely fast layout, especially since I am so impatient with the mixed media and drying and everything. But I'm just going to rough up the edges of everything and start sticking them down here. And I'm going to add the yellow down. I really do love that yellow. And I just added some glue to the center of this piece because I knew I was going to tuck the rest of these underneath and I was going to stick that ribbon down the side of it. So I went ahead and only stuck that down a little bit, and I will stick it down a little better here in just a second. But I wanted to make sure to get that underneath the side. It's probably, that little pom-pom stuff is probably some of my favorite ribbon ever. It's cute and I love the texture it adds. And I just added a little bit of vellum there just to kind of, I don't know, just dilute the back down a little bit. Not really, because these colors are not too bright and I love them. They definitely scream spring. I went ahead and added my foam behind my photos, and that's where I added the glue as well so I could go ahead and keep it down on my layout. I'm going to use those sunglasses for sure down there on the bottom. And then I'm pulling out the butterflies and flowers from the kit and the add-on. And I thought I was going to use the flowers, but I decided to use the butterflies. Excuse me. And I decided to actually use the pink and the yellow butterfly. I thought I'd use some more, but I decided against it. But I love the textures that these give, and they're just so cute. And they went perfectly, to be honest. I'm going to go ahead and clean up some of my mess and grab these adorable alphas. And I'm going to messily do my title. It's just going to say Cool Girls. My girls are just posted up against a tree and then on the playground, just big old smiles and having fun. And I loved that. And here is where I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for my background. And I end up using the yellow hearts, and I love the way it looks, but I'm not done with it. I'm going to start roughing things up here, and then I'm going to take my scissors and just kind of cut chunks out of the side because I want some more of that pom-pom stuff. And honestly, I didn't even finish cutting that one. I ripped it. And I'm okay with that. I'm going to run my distressor over the side of it so you're not even going to be able to tell. And it's wonky and it doesn't match, and that's okay. I'm just going to add some adhesive here and stick it down, and then I will go ahead and pull the pom-pom stuff out here in just a second. Yep. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to stick it down, and I'll rough up the edges a bit more as I'm going ahead and doing this. You'll see me, there I go. I'll pull up the edges a little bit and I tuck this underneath. I thought about clipping that off, but decided just to go ahead and push it under. And I love my fine tip glue bottle for this because I can just run it underneath the side of that stuff and get the glue where I need it, and it just sticks down perfectly. I love that. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side, and that finishes this layout. So like I said, really fast layout for this first one. I hope that you enjoyed it. Love the colors of this kit. Love the brightness and the vibe of it. Gorgeous. Links will be below so that you can go ahead and go to the shop and grab it too. Hope you have a great day. Bye.